Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect QuickBooks with GoHighLevel. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are trying to connect QuickBooks with GoHighLevel. Maybe you want to use it to actually keep track of your finances. Maybe you want to see your books and reporting from QuickBooks on GoHighLevel. Either way, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But what you're first going to do is that you're going to log into your GoHighLevel account. Next, you're going to click on settings. And then on this page here, you're going to scroll down. Please make sure that you blur out the business email, the phone number, and the address, please, for these next few videos. Next, you're going to scroll down to where it says integrations. And then from here, you're going to click on connect your QuickBooks account, which is this option right over here. So once you click on that, you're going to be prompted to log into QuickBooks, and you just need to follow the on-screen prompts to connect your QuickBooks account with GoHighLevel. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect QuickBooks with GoHighLevel. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.